We use naturalistic procedures regularly in the teaching we do here in our clinic with families, parents who want to help their young children with autism spectrum disorders begin to develop critical early communication skills. But we can only do that one family or one child at a time. So one of the primary motivations in developing an app like this is to get this technology that's been proven effective into many more hands of parents or teachers or therapists who want to have access to this technology in the environment where they're going to do a lot of this teaching, which will be in the home or in the classroom or out in public, in the grocery store, or so forth.